Debate over expanding school vouchers heats up in Northeast Wisconsin tonight. Governor Walker touting his plan in Green Bay this evening, which would allow parents to choose what school their kids go to. But there was a lot of opposition to that plan at a public forum held by the school board. NBC 26's Deanna Corinthios is live in the newsroom with both sides.
Stacey, Governor Walker says according to state report cards, 49% of schools in Green Bay are getting a D or an F, so they're failing. Now his plan would give funding to students who wouldn't otherwise be able to afford it to go to a different school, but not everyone agrees. The floor is open for parents, teachers, and others at the Green Bay School District's board meeting to voice their opinion on school vouchers. The school board says they're against it, and many teachers oppose too, saying vouchers hurt public education.
I believe that the Green Bay area public schools in particular offers a wealth of programs and different opportunities for students.
But other parents say if their child's school is failing, they want options.
I want to have a choice for my children. I want to be able to pick where I send them. It's my taxpayer dollars, and I want to be able to decide where they go.
Across town at Thomas More, a Catholic school, Governor Walker says he's willing to compromise.
I'm willing to work with senators if they want to find an alternative that maybe narrows it down to the school, not just to the district, maybe narrows it down even on the individual student basis. What I'm not willing to back away from is the idea that every family should have access to great education.
The school voucher expansion plan is part of the governor's budget. The legislature will vote on the budget in June. Now, Green Bay would be eligible for $1.6 million under Governor Walker's plan. Some of that money would go to schools that are exceeding expectations. The other part would go towards funding a corrective action plan for schools that are failing. Live in the Green Bay newsroom, Deandra Corinthios, NBC 26.